Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Edward Jones' credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser. In order to begin, go to the address bar at the top and type in www.edwardjonescreditcard.com and press enter. You'll end up in the main home page of Edward Jones Credit Card. You'll be able to see two tabs at the top. One is the login and the other is enroll. If you'd like to enroll first, since you don't have an account yet, click on this enroll link and fill in your information in order to set up an online access. If you already have an account, right in the login tab, enter your personal ID in the first text box. In case you've forgotten your personal ID, you can click on this link right beneath the continue button. Follow the instructions in order to look for it. After you're done entering your ID, click on the continue button and on the next page, go ahead and answer your ID Shield question. Type in your answer correct, and if you'd like the system to remember your information, you can click on this remember this computer box, but if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to leave this box unchecked before hitting the next button. In case you've forgotten your answer to the question, you can click on this answer link right here and follow the instructions. After typing in your answer correct, click on the next button and you'll be able to log into Edward Jones credit card account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos. Again, thank you for watching.